Sitting more than 2,000 feet above sea level is the picturesque town of Hendersonville, set within the heart of the Blue Ridge Mountains in western North Carolina. Here you'll find authentic Southern fun for the whole family, from the abundance of outdoor activities and historic sites to agri-tourism, dining and plenty of great shopping.
Hi, I'm Monica and I'm here in the beautiful mountain getaway of Hendersonville. Join me while I explore the Blue Ridge Mountain terrain and the captivating activities found within it.
I start my day exploring the DuPont State Recreation Forest, a massive nature preserve home to majestic mountains, cascading waterfalls, tranquil lakes, and exhilarating hiking and horse riding trails. Get lost and found in the United States, only public land designated as a state recreation forest, whose woods were the backdrop to movies such as The Hunger Games and The Last of the Mohicans. I'll bet you didn't know where you can find the most apple orchards in the southeast of the US. Well, right here in Hendersonville. Let's take a look. Enjoy a scenic self-driving tour deep into the heart of apple country and stop off along the way at quaint roadside apple markets, wineries and interactive farms. Hendersonville is also home to the renowned Sierra Nevada Mills River Brewery, nestled within the Appalachian Mountains. Here you can see firsthand how this flavorful craft beer comes to life. In the evenings, wind down with a trip to the delightful and historic downtown area of Hendersonville, where you'll find an exciting mix of specialty shops, art galleries, mouth-watering restaurants, and vibrant entertainment venues.
Today, I discovered that Hendersonville is a richly diverse destination, set within a cinematic landscape that beckons you in and keeps you entertained for hours. But hey, don't take my word for it. Come and find out for yourself.